Can I travel abroad while my case is pending?
Hello and welcome to the Ray Law International channel. Today, we'll take a quick look at how travel may or may not impact your application for a green card. As you may be experiencing or heard from others, the green card process can take a long time. Some cases are completed in a few months, while others are taking years to complete. Now, do you have to stay here in the United States the whole time your case is pending? Can you travel to Hawaii or Puerto Rico? If your niece or nephew has a wedding in your home country, can you leave even if your green card case has not yet been approved? We'll take a look at how travel impacts family-based green card cases pending right here in the US. Let's see when it's safe to travel. In today's video, we'll take a look at 3 situations. Can you travel? Travel before the travel permit is granted, and the impact of travel on your immigration interview.
Can I travel outside of the U.S. while my family-based green card case is pending?
The short answer is yes, you can travel while your green card case is pending. When you say your green card case is pending, we mean that your I-485 or application to adjust status is pending with the USCIS. However, there are some limitations. When you file your green card application, you should not travel until the USCIS gives you permission. Permission is granted by the approval of your travel document, also known as advance parole. Once your advance parole has been approved, you are free to travel in and out of the U.S. while your green card case is pending.
What happens if I travel prior to the approval of my travel document, advance parole?
If you travel outside the U.S. while your green card case is pending without USCIS permission, then the USCIS may deny your green card application Form I-485. This is not what you want. So make sure that you remain in the U.S. until the USCIS issues your advance parole document. If the required travel is due to an emergency, then you can request the USCIS to expedite the processing of the advance parole. Emergencies are typically limited to funerals and dire medical situations.
What about the immigration interview?
Do not travel during the time your immigration interview has been set. You must appear in person. Additionally, green card immigration interviews can only be rescheduled due to a medical emergency to the petitioner or beneficiary or a related immediate relative. Some officers may reschedule if there was a funeral for an immediate relative of the petitioner or beneficiary. Always contact them in advance. Finally, if you are traveling outside the U.S., remember that the USCIS will schedule your interview by sending a letter through the mail. Make sure someone you trust is checking your mail and is communicating with you. Having an attorney in this situation is beneficial, as the attorney or law firm will also receive notice of the initial immigration interview and can notify you at any time. In conclusion, yes, you can travel abroad while your immigration case is pending. Make sure you have your advance parole in hand before you leave. And by all means, make it to that initial immigration interview, no matter the cost. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, share this video with a friend. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.